there, my name is Squalo and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now this is going to be another Bitcoin update and I want to show you something in the charts that nobody literally is talking about. And this also is going to be, it's a small technical thing, but it's something that is going to identify and help us predict the next Bitcoin move for sure. So that's also something that I'm going to be using for entering into a potential hedge just to protect a portion of my portfolio, just like I did the last time, which was free of charge for me. And yeah, so this is something that I really wanted to mention in this video. And as always, please hit that like button, also hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. So currently, let me just do it in a simple way today with just my phone and a computer like this. So Bitcoin price right here, and we are currently, as we saw it many times already, that we are currently breaking out of here, out of this formation right here, so out of this flag. And that's what everyone is looking at currently. But if we go to a smaller time frame, let's say it's even a 1 hour chart, then here we're gonna see something very interesting that I just noticed. And we have this climbing wedge going upwards. The bottom support of it is not really that precise, but nonetheless the upper part is super precise, super on point, and we are climbing in this kind of a fashion. And currently we are actually going downwards right here with a potential to retest it right here. And if this doesn't hold, and the climbing wedges oftentimes have a tendency of actually breaking downwards. So if it actually breaks downwards, this could be a very bad scenario for Bitcoin in general. And this is very important to pay attention to right now, because if it does break downwards, then the only thing that we can do is wait for the retest of this support that actually held the price, and it was very nice to see. And so the target could be around, if it breaks downwards here from the support of this climbing wedge, then the next support will be only at around 40,700 and then all the way down to 38,800. So this is something that I'm currently looking at. If we're going to be breaking this wedge going downwards, this is where I'm going to put in my short trade for a hedge of this of a portion of my portfolio, just not to risk it. Because if we're gonna start moving down super harshly, just like we were moving down, for example, in this area or this area with huge drops, this is something that could happen here as well with this climbing wedge going downward. So this could be a bit dangerous. And again, longing Bitcoin right now with this super close proximity on the way to the most important key market levels, which will help us identify the actual turnaround for whole Bitcoin in general, then the only possibilities here are active trades with proper ATR and proper risk and money management. And if you want to trade on Bybit, longing Bitcoin, shorting Bitcoin, then with my link down in the description of this video, you'll get up to $4,100 in free bonuses on top of your initial deposit and a huge discount on commissions. So that's quite awesome. So this is the current situation, and right now the trading floor is looking like a mess. So we've decided to do some small remodeling and change a few things here and there. So everything is just looking like a mess right now. But nonetheless, we're gonna have to remove a lot of things from here just to prepare for season 2. And by the way, stay tuned for season number 2, because any one of you guys and girls will get a chance to once again participate and win a seat at Squalo Trading Show season 2 and come to Dubai. Or maybe, just maybe, it's gonna actually happen in France or maybe somewhere in the Mediterranean. I don't know, maybe we'll rent an island. So a lot of awesome stuff is coming. Season 1 was just a warm-up. So season 2 announcement is going to come together with the first episode of Squalo Trading Show of season 1, which is going to be launched on April the 3rd. And if you haven't seen the trailer, my God, I'll link it somewhere up there. Check it out. And then just the windows are dirty, but look at this view. Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, the windows are dirty, but they're washing them now. So yeah, we have to change a few things here, just in case if we're gonna still do it in Dubai and not gonna decide to do it somewhere on the island to make it a bit nicer. And for the time being, Thomas Corallo and his family and my beautiful wife Sophia, we are actually moving to a 5-star resort, which we rented for a big suite, all-inclusive for 3 months. Jesus, on the Palm Jumeirah in Dubai. So Rixos actually, and that's gonna be the time of our lives. I've never lived at a 5-star resort in a huge suite for 3 months, all inclusive. So that's gonna be a small treat for myself to actually reward myself for a lot of work that we are doing. And yeah, so currently Bitcoin is consolidating, but these are the most important levels that you have to pay attention to, as well as the geopolitical situation, which is quite tense, but nonetheless, anything can happen at any given moment. And as always, peace and love. Thomas Corallo. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio!